Hey guys, Future Benny here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a paper airplane. The best paper airplane, but not in the world, just my opinion of the best paper airplane. So you need one paper. If you mess up, just get another one, and I know I'm not going to mess up. So first, you want to fold your piece of paper long way in half. That. Alright, so now you just open it, and this point over here. And same thing for the other side. Yeah. So just now grab this, do this. Like an envelope. Like this. Now you're gonna take this side and go like that. And then like that. Then do this. This thing here, just fold it down. Very simple. Now, last thing you want to do, second to last thing, is do it like this. It should turn out like this, but you're not done. Now, you see this here? This triangle here from the thing that I folded? Just fold it down like that. And the same thing right over about here. Just even it out. Alright, so it should turn out like this. This is the best paper airplane. So, yeah. Bye.